Paragraph writing on winter season. Winter season is the coldest season of the year in India. Winter season can be characterized by cold wind blow, falling of snow, very low atmospheric temperature, short day, long night, etc. This season lasts about 3 months, starts from December and ends in March. There becomes winter vacation in the schools for small kids in the peak winter days, last week of December and start week of January, to save them from high cold. People having their business or working in the office get problems in continue their job because of disturbed schedule. Sun rises late in the morning and sets early in the evening with very slight heat sunlight. Winter season is quite difficult season for everyone, especially poor people, because of lack of woolen clothes and proper home. They generally seen taking sun bath in the sunlight on the footpaths or other open places like park, etc. in order to keep their body warm. Many old people and small age kids lost their life because of very much cold weather. Winter season is a season of healthy fruits and green leafy vegetables such as grapes, orange, apples, guava, papaya, sugarcane juice, pineapple, carrot, amla, cabbage, beetroot, turnips, cauliflower, radish, tomato, potato, etc. We can say winter season a health-making season. Winter season is a season of crops like wheat, barley, moongfly, and few other crops. Various kinds of seasonal flowers, dahlias, roses, etc. blooms in beautiful colors and enhance the beauty of nature. The main agents of winter season are the cold winds and frost, which make this weather more dry, dull, and chill. It rains sometimes without weather, which makes life really miserable. Winter's cold rain destroys crops, vegetables, and fruits. Frost makes very difficult to go outside home at night in winter. Winter season has its own importance as well. It is useful to make health, good for walk in the morning, environment full of fresh air to breathe in, no fear of mosquitoes, good for farmers' crop, etc. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more video like this.